Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download DeepSeek on your PC. Now, before downloading DeepSeek, make sure your PC is strong because this will require a lot of CPU power and a lot of GPU power as well. So, if you're sure that your PC is strong enough, just download Olama and then go to their official website here, Olama. Click on download. Click on download for Windows. Now, it'll say downloading here, so let's just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's done downloading, let's just click on the setup here. Let's click on run. Let's click on install. Now let's just let it install here for a second. It'll maybe take a little time because it's a pretty big application. Now once it's installed, it'll get automatically closed like this. Now your Olama model is now also in your command prompt, right? So all you have to do is just go to the search bar here. And then you want to open CMD or command prompt. I'm just going to open it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now, just paste in the code I put here, Olama pull DeepSeek v3, and then press enter. And then you can see it'll say pulling manifest. Now, this is basically downloading DeepSeek v3 onto my PC. But you can see it's pretty big. It's about 400 gigabytes here. But once it's done downloading, you'll have DeepSeek downloaded on your PC. So, if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.